Hey everybody, so today I've got this Mozzvas neck gaiter and I wanted to show you how it works and kind of show you the different options you have with it. So let's go. So I'm going to unwrap it. First thing, it's supposed to be a neck gaiter. I'm going to put it on. All right, works for a scarf here. And you can also put it up over your face. With the glasses, I'll tuck it up there. All right, wear it like that. You can also wear it like a headband if you want. All right, and then you can put it up over your head if you need some protection. Up over your face, a little bit of protection in the colder months. All right, for the ladies out there, you can also take this, wrap it around your wrist, use it for your ponytail, and then you could even use it like a sleep mask. Cover your eyes. Keep the light out if you're trying to catch a nap in the middle of the day. There's a whole bunch of uses for this thing. It's pretty cool. I've got two of them here. They're nice and stretchy, nice and soft. I like the way they feel, and they're going to work a lot, especially now in these crazy times. It's going to be a little bit more protection out there, and that's about it. I hope you like it. I surely do. Thanks for watching.